आता कोर सब्जेक्ट सोडून तुम्हाला अजून आता फर्स्ट इयरला काय होतं एक्स्ट्रामध्ये? सगळे कोर्स होते, सगळे कॉमनच आहे, ऑल ब्रांचेसला कॉमन आहे. त्याला पण त्यांनी चेंजेस केलेले. सर्किटचा एक ग्रुप केला आहे, जी म्हणजे इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स वगैरे, आणि यामध्ये मेकॅनिकल वगैरे असे सिव्हिल. आणि मग आता अजून तुला काय हे दिलं त्यांनी, आता काय म्हणतात एनजीओ ॲक्टिव्हिटी केली, त्याला क्रेडिट किती? 2 क्रेडिट. आणि किती ड्युरेशन होतं? पर डे 8 hours आणि 6 days in a week. How many weeks? 2 महिन्यांचं वॅकेशन. 2 महिन्यामध्ये किती पिरियड तुम्ही मॅन्डेटरी त्याला केला पाहिजे? कारण त्याच्यात गाईडलाईन्स असतात. ठीक आहे, बोला होता सर. कॅन यू हिअर मी? हाँ, गुड मॉर्निंग.
Yes.
हेलो.
I can hear you, but the voice is not so clear. I can hear you. Hello, can you hear me? Am I audible? There is some echo. So
Yes.
audible now?
Yes, you are audible. Is it clear?
But your voice is not so clear. We can hear you, but voice is not so clear. Maybe you are sitting far from your mic. Therefore,
Can you
now it is clear, but voice is echoing. Can you repeat? Basically, last time when you spoke, the voice was there was a huge echo.
Are you able to hear me now?
Yes, now perfect.
I will share the screen.
And then start. The process should be start.
We can start now, sir.
Yes, you can start. Okay. Hello. So welcome to this meeting, and first of all, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Chris, and I am working as Assistant Incubation Manager at IIT Jammu. And Sudhakar Mohan sir, basically he is a professor of electrical engineering in IIT Jammu, and he is also professor in charge of incubator. And Nandini sir should also join in due course of time. He is in charge of Community Incubation Center IIT Jammu, and Mrs. Aditi is in charge of Incubation Center IIT Jammu. She is going to complete 2 months in IIT. So I think can join. Maybe our Chief Innovation Officer, Professor MP Arvind, shall also join later on. But now we can start.
Can I start now, sir?
Yes, yes. Yes, yes.
Okay. On the behalf of our Pravara Rural Engineering College, Loni, which is located at Shirdi, Maharashtra. Okay. First of all, I want to welcome to your team, and we are having a PRISM Forum, that is Section 8 company. We are calling it as a PREC Research, Innovation, Startups and Medium Enterprises Forum. So I will go to the presentation so that you will get all the idea about our work, and then after we can have a discussion. Presentation. Then share guys. Share. Windows. Share. Can you see this now, sir?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. So this is our infrastructure of our Pravara Rural Engineering College, which is located near to Shirdi. It is very close to Shirdi in Maharashtra, and we are running this PREC Research, Innovation, Startups and Medium Enterprises PRISM Forum. This Section 8 company, which is the legal entity also, and especially we are having all these innovation, incubation, then startup activity and research activity under this banner. So on the behalf of Pravara Rural Engineering College, and as a Dean R&D and CEO of PRISM Forum, first of all I want to welcome your team. Next part is next slide. Hello.
Yes, yes. Just
Just a minute.
Full screen not full screen.
What is the manager?
it is all clear.
Before I was telling about the our Section 8 company, that is PREC Research, Innovation, Startups and Medium Enterprises Forum. Let us go to next. I want to welcome you all, team from IIT Jammu Meeting. Let us go with our founders, late Padma Shri Dr. Nandimani,
One thing.
and
When those like it is nothing, maybe confused with the other.
okay.
But me, personally, I'm not for getting the work.
Is it okay?
Yeah. Instead of nothing, you have some more.
I will go fastly to our topic. Sri Radhakrishna B.K. Patil sir, he is working as a chairman of our engineering college. Let us come to our PRISM Forum. This is our legal documents. We are already registered under Ministry of Corporate Affairs. Then, as far as PRISM Forum is concerned, the P stands for PREC, R stands for research, and And for research, we are having research improvisation and monitoring committee. And here we are taking care about all the publications related to international conference, journal, then patents, project exhibitions, research funding. All these things we are carrying out under this research domain, especially research and development. Then coming to next part, that is PRISM. I stands for innovation, where we are having Institute of Innovation Council under the Ministry of Education, Government of India. And then next part is related to startups. So here we are having our own ADP cell, and especially we are running MSME incubation center in our campus. And that center, as incubation is there, so innovation and incubation activities we are carrying out under these startups. And then after medium enterprises, we are having all these IIT Tinkerers Lab and EDP cell also. So we are running all these activity under this banner, which we are calling it as a PRISM Forum. Let us come to next part, that is we are having already 3-star under IIC, and MSME incubation center we have already carried out various activities. This is our executive body where Sri S.R. Zodoli sir, and then Dr. S.N. Hiramat and Dr. S.N. Gulani. He is working as a secretary as well as principal of this college and secretary for this section head company, PRISM Forum, and I am looking after as a CEO for this forum. Let us come to next part, that is we have carried out all these activities with our university also. We have affiliated to Savitribai Phule Pune University, and then the executive bodies, we are having all the faculty members who are there for various portfolios, research, innovations, startups and medium enterprises, that is MSME incubation centers and Tinkerers Lab also. We are having Tinkerers Lab. Actually, that Tinkerers Lab is from IIT Bombay only, Alumni Association, Maker Foundation, same as that of you. Only the thing is, it is in private domain. We are having tier 2 institute, yours is tier 1. In that way, we are running all these activity under Tinkerers Lab. Then as far as NEP, National Education Policy is concerned, we are taking care about this from this year, and we have mapped all this activity to NEP 2020. Our vision and mission and objectives are related to the all these innovation and entrepreneurship for the student, faculty members and stakeholders. We are having various stakeholders nearby in and around of this area. They are from various domains also. Interdisciplinary and interdisciplinary approach is there, and some industries and small scale incubators, they are also in association with us. Mission, if you see that our mission is to have product development. We have made 5 startups at a commercialized level now, and proof of concept and all these activities as per as the guidelines of the MSME incubation center, we are running all these activities. Then coming to the services, here from the PRISM we are having pre-incubation services, incubation services and post-incubation services also. So all these assistance we are providing from our end. Let us go for the next area. We are having all these thrust area under this PRISM Forum. One of the thrust area is very important, that is e-mobility, where we are already worked on e-bike and e-bicycles. Right now we are thinking about the EV domain for agricultural applications, and then after we are having drone technology and robotics also. Also we are having artificial intelligence. Just now we have started that activity also. We are having very good projects under ISRO, Defense, DRDO. We are running here in this under this PRISM Forum, and we are having nearby medical university also. So we are having all the healthcare and pharmaceutical products also. The people are coming from another faculty, that means medical and pharma background also. The smart building, energy, that things we are also having. As far as energy is concerned, we are having tie with hydrogen fuel technology also, and KPIT and IIT Center also. So these are the things which we are carrying out under as a trust area of our PRISM Forum. Let us go ahead with the activities carried out last 3 years. So this innovation center we have started last 2 years back, and then after, as far as startup project is concerned, our e-mobility project was selected in top 23 in the last year. Then we have received national level startup award. Then we have conducted national and international conferences also. Then our students are also in association with all these activities related to hackathon and MSME idea hackathon, women's hackathon also. Then we have conducted every year we are conducting project exhibition. This year we have conducted national level Inspire Maharashtra event under the same domain. Okay, let us go ahead with the activities which we have carried out under this. And then coming to MSME Incubation Center, we are having tie with IIT Center. Then under MSME Incubation Center, we are running all these activities and projects are ready now. Then we were in association with Maharashtra Startup Yatra as a jury member. These are our startups already in running condition now. We have already tested first startup related to e-mobility. Second startup SNGO, it is already we are using for the industry as a supply chain management. Third startup we are having our own e-bicycle. Last one, that is Bhumi Informatics Private Limited, which is our made in India search engine, and the incubator is also here in the meeting. Now we have got the prize at national level from IIT Pune for the startup project, that is the e-mobility project, e-bike project. These are our patents which we have already worked for our startups. This is our e-bike. Actually, it is looking like a bullet, and first model is ready. Now the second model we are taking for with the corrections, and we are going for ARI approval. Then coming to next part, that is we have received the startup awards, okay, national level. Then we are having one of the machine, which is IoT based sanitary napkin vending machine. That is also one startup project. Then this is drone technology. Again, I think you may see from this in our lab also, we are having all the drone technology, special drones for the defense and small scale applications. And these are the visits which we have carried out for the various incubation centers. We were there in IIT Jammu also for visit of your incubation and Tinker's lab. And then after we were having this research meeting at Chhatrapati Sambhajinagar, Aurangabad in Maharashtra. We are having very good tie with Atal incubation centers at RMP AIC at Mumbai, and second is AIC Bamboo at Chhatrapati Sambhajinagar, Aurangabad, Maharashtra. And then after we were having very good industrial visits and our projects in association with ISRO, DIDO, T-Hub, like that. And that activity also we have carried out. Then coming to next part, that we are having very good entrepreneurship sale also. Under that, we are giving this training to the students and industry collaborations. Then after we can have, this is our reference as a PRISMForum.com. This is our site. And from engineering college, we are having pravara.engg.org.in. This is our reference. And from our society, we are having more than 100 institutes. That is under pravara.in. And these are our YouTube channels and other media linkages. Let us come to next part, that is our expectations are now our startups are ready and we want to have incubation with and MOU for introducing startups to the real world. So we want to commercialize it. That's our main target. Minimum 3 to 4 startups are there, and we have tested and what we can say validated from various industries like IIT and Mahindra. Then after internships. So for internships, we are looking after from IIT Jammu that how we can proceed further for this internship for the students. And lastly but not the least and very important part, that is the abroad competition also we want to run in association with you for the international conference and competition. So that collaboration is also expected from your end. And that's the presentation. Thank you very much.
So yes, it was a very good presentation. So we got a lot of in terms of getting startups and many more. So we have mentioned 3 points from our side. For example, one is incubation. Second one is internship, and third one is international collaboration. Which and the third. So in terms of internship, so internship we can provide directly. So there is through our institute and through IIT, we can provide an internship for your students. So the number may be we limited. So we can usually agree upon the number, how many numbers we can provide per year or per semester. Okay. And the second point, startups. So with startups, what support you are expecting from us? So do we want the agreement between the two institutes, or you want some startups should be funded to IIT Jammu, IIT Council, or what is the expectation?
4 to 5 startups are commercialized, sir. One or two I can show you in the camera itself. You can please see this. This startup is actually this is one of the startup e-bike. Okay, you may see this. Okay, so this is one of the startup which we have carried out and we have got selected in top 20. So this is the e-bike bullet, okay, which we have designed and it is tested by KPIT also. Then coming to next startup, that is this is e-bicycle actually. You can see this one also. Okay. So here you can have this is also in working condition and it is commercialized. For front wheel we have made operated with battery operation, whereas back wheel it is operated by pedal. So mechanical and battery operation both are available here. And all these startups we have designed. Now right now it is at the verge of commercialization. These are the two startups. One more startup which is related to that Bhumi search engine, that is also ready. We can send all the PPTs and everything to you. And blockchain supply chain management, that software is also we are using for the industry. So what was our aim and objective? That if you support these 3, 4, 5 startups, we can go ahead with again more whatever suggestions are given. We will add that and that will be our full-fledged what we can say innovation and incubation work from our end and your end. So that is expected under that domain.
Okay, so there may be more deliberation required for startup support.
Yeah.
So we require to see the internal process, but as a external applicant, so you can directly apply to our I3C applications. So you can just type in Google I3C IIT Jammu.
Okay.
So there you will get the application form. You can fill the application form and the application form will be reviewed. The total time duration for any application is maximum 30 days to 45 days. So you get the response whether your startup is selected or it is processed or related. So that is the one point. Another point we are missing is the focus of I3C is mostly of product based. So we already have the products, but revenue also we have to show the numbers. Whether this product has done some revenue or they are already.
I want to clear one thing. We have got one CMVGP scheme. Okay. Under that scheme, we are going to have directly business model now for this EV startup. And second one is we are having that two softwares. One is related to Google search competition to the Google search engine, that is Bhumi search engine, and one more is SHGO, that supply chain management software. So we can have what we can say the readily available business revenue model, and we are already tested with 1 or 2 industries also. So right now we are thinking that whatever another drawbacks are there, that we want to clarify, and then after that will be a full-fledged business model which will be available within 1 or 2 months only. So if IIT Jammu will help us, we can go ahead with that.
Okay.
Sure. Yeah, exactly. That's why I'm trying to, we are trying to figure out definitely good ideas and good products. One clarity which I would like to have is your startups looking for some initial investment so that it can be scaled up, or you are looking for business as well as technical mentors or financial mentors? That's what I am.
Some of the things we want to add, just like suppose in some startups, just like suppose my EV is there. So in that we want to add IoT-based system and AI if required. So in that way it will be a smart one. That is one thing. Second thing, in each startup we are having our own workout separately, and the suggestions given by the industry, that is also with us. So we want to make it as smart, as innovative as possible from our end. So that type of funding is required from your end. Second thing, for the business and commercialized point of view, we are also having that platform. Now, if you do that type of mentoring also, that will be more better. So that it will be a concrete one. Otherwise, in some cases it will fail also. So we don't want to make that possibilities. So if IIT Jammu and your IIT that section and company will cooperate with us, I think it will be more better.
Okay, that's great. But let us just have one more clarity about how much investment or initial investment are you looking forward to? For example, for your EV-based motorcycle, how much investment are you planning for?
Sir, whatever, see, we have made our own funding, what we can say, support from our end. But whatever possible from your end, you just clarify us, we will apply to you, and you can, we did not require a certain amount like that. But we are having some very good time with another industries also, electronics and what we can say, IoT-based industries. So we are taking the technology support, resource support from them also. But if some funding support will be there from your end, whatever possible, we are also having our own support, our own funding also. So we'll go ahead with that, and that will be as a collaborative product of IIT Jammu and PRISM Forum. That means two section 8 companies like that. We can have a
Great. Yeah. Because Section 8 company, you are well aware that Section 8 companies are not angel investors, right? They are not angel investors where a lot of money will be come, right?
You can, if it possible, IIT Jammu from that organization also, if it is possible, we can have discussion with your director also, if possible. If not, we go ahead.
Okay.
Yeah, that is
Yeah. So even PRISM Institute, so the colleges, you have said that you have 100 colleges.
Yeah.
Yeah. So how much investment the institute is allocating for, especially for this PRISM Forum? Normally in our institute, we have that mandate clause that 1% of total expenditure should be on
Yes.
this ITC and innovation activities.
Yes.
So what is the guidelines you are following?
1% it is mandatory, sir. But right now I am giving all the vision, mission and all these things very clear to the management. And this time we have made provision in the budget also of the management. And right now they are ready to give 1% of amount for this section.
That's it. And the last point which you have mentioned, that conferences, joint conferences.
Yeah.
So so there are different conferences, means it is like pitching for this business type of conferences or technical
Yes,
type of
yes.
conferences.
Sir, there are two parts. One part is one day we want to conduct international conference along with the SCI and Scopus journal publication also one of the platform along with that international conference, maybe IEEE along with us. And then after we can have a patent work also in one day event, and second day event will be in association with AICT. AICT suggesting to us that if you are having a very good event in the abroad for the startups and business, so second day will be as a business revenue model and the abroad competition. So that type of event we want to organize at Dubai actually. We have taken the dates from Dubai government also. Maybe in the month of October they are ready to give us this permission for that. And that will be as a good event, collaborative event along with all the good engineering colleges. IIT Bombay is with us, IIT Jammu, we are requesting, and we are coming together so that from all over India we can have these good participants, and we can have that type of abroad competition in Dubai location. Our alumni from postdoc, they are doing postdoc at US also. They are also ready to work with us. So there is very good platform. I think we will carry it out if you come with us.
Okay, that's great. So you have a Dubai campus?
Dubai we are not having campus, but we are having our alumni, which because our college was started in 1983. So our first 5 to 10 years batches, they are having very good positions, and they are working in DRDO as a directors also in our India, and in Dubai many of them are working there also, and some of them are working as a postdoc fellow in Stanford, like good universities also.
Okay, that is good. That is good.
They are ready to come with us.
Yes, so we'll be looking forward to take this partnership forward. And once it is documented, there will be more things will come into picture.
Yes, sir.
We'll take this further. We can have that clause that wherever is required, we can have the collaboration and take this forward. So
Yes.
I just connect with our higher authorities to take it forward. So, with which you would like to have the partnership? You would like to partnership with I3C, IIT Jammu, or you would like to partnership with IIT Jammu?
No,
There is two parts. Yeah.
see, Section 8 company is a good platform because we can get the funding from our government also. That is one thing. Second thing, from IIT Jammu also we can have a collaboration because IIT Jammu is having again different platform, and if we come together along with IIT Bombay also, I think it will be very good for us to have a further activities.
No, we had a collaboration with IIT Bombay already.
No, IIT Bombay we are running this actually Tinker's Lab under Baker Bone Foundation, but I am having discussion. Already I had discussed with head of the Department of Electronics Engineering from IIT Bombay, and then this Baker Bone Foundation, they are looking after Tinker's Lab. They are ready to give us the collaboration with IIT Madras also. So that things are going on.
Okay. Maker Brown Foundation is an independent organization.
Yes.
So
But-
it is funding the Tinker labs around India.
But some of the professors from IIT Bombay and IIT Madras, they are also ready to work with us. And the autonomous and private universities professors, they are also active with us. Like that.
No, in documentation.
Uh,
On the document, MOU is.
yeah, we are having MOU with Chennai Engineering College also. Then IIT Bombay, MOU is not yet worked out from our end, but it is in process now. We had our first meeting. In second or third meeting, it will be clear. Come on.
That's it. So, over to Navneet and the Jayati.
Yes.
Navneet. Jayati. Yeah. So already, I think Navneet has already completed this course. So then, thank you for the discussions, and I will take this forward.
In the next-
same.
Sir, I want to clear one point. In the next month only, our students are here now. They want to have an internship at IIT in your campus.
Okay.
So we are interested to send them in the month of
Yeah.
June.
Sure. So they can visit our campus.
Yeah.
So I will connect with our placement cell where they can officially avail that internship under this collaboration. So that it will be one-to-one internship is possible. So we can directly post them as our individual level. But institute level internship where they can have official offer from institute and all this.
Yes.
I'll try to work it out and get that to you by this week or next week.
Yes, sir. Sure. Thank you very much, sir.
And
Thank you. Have a great day.
Great experience. Thank you. Good sir. Thank you. Take it forward. Yeah. Okay.
Sanjay sir, I just have a request that whatever discussion we had in this meeting, can you email us with all the requirements from your end that
Yes.
in the MOU we want to discuss these things, and also what are the expectations from your side for IIT,
Yes.
so that we can directly forward it to Sudhakar sir.
Yes, sir.
We can
I will write all the minutes of the meeting and all the points will be there as a draft for you for the evening. Okay.
okay.
Yeah.
Great.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. Sir.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you everyone.